folks, welcome back to the official channel of Plantonorganic. This is Lydia and hope you all are doing good. It's a beautiful morning and the cold breeze is blowing. I feel like having a filter coffee. And won't it be extra special if it would be a herbal filter coffee? It would be the perfect detox drink in the morning. And we at Planton have our very special new Plantonorganic Herbal Coffee Powder for you to have that morning coffee fix done. So come on, let's go see how this special herbal filter coffee is made. So for our herbal filter coffee, we need milk, water, sugar and Plantonorganic Herbal Coffee Powder. Did you notice the color of the sugar I'm using here? This is dark because it is organic coconut sugar. We are going to use this filter to make the decoction for our filter coffee. Into the base of our filter, let's pour half a cup of water. Now into the filter, let's pour 2 tablespoons Plantonorganic Herbal Coffee. Now let's boil 1 cup of milk for the filter coffee. Pour in our herbal coffee decoction. The amount depends upon your liking. I'm putting around 50% into the glass. Now 1 teaspoon sugar. Now let's mix in the sugar well. Now let's pour in the milk into our filter coffee. So friends, here our yummy and piping hot herbal filter coffee is ready. It's so refreshing. So folks, hope you like this recipe. Please do try it out and put your valuable feedbacks in the comment sections below. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Plantonorganic.